Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So in this video, we are going to learn about the image function in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So let's understand firstly what does we mean by the image function. So image function is one of the text function in Salesforce that is used to insert an image with an alternative text and the height and width specification. The syntax of this image function is given on your screen. Here you can see that the image URL parameter specify the path of an image that you want to insert. Alternative underscore text is a parameter that specify the text you want to show when image can't be shown or rendered due to some technical or internet issue. The alternate text be used to display you. Then height parameter specify the height you can say the, or vertical size of the image you want to set it to the inserted image, and it always take the height in a pixel. So the width parameter specify the width or you can say a horizontal size of an image, and it is also be in a pixel. So let's see how you can use this image function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface with the help of examples. So here I open my Salesforce account and I am in the Lightning interface. I click on a gear icon and set up the select the setup option to redirect myself to the main home setup page of the Lightning interface. Once I redirected, here I have click on the object manager tab that is given on the top of the navigation bar. Here you can see that next to the home we have object manager. I have clicked on that and here it will show me the list of all the objects that are in Salesforce. Now it's time to choose the object on which you want to include the image function. I am going to show you the example for the product object as I want to add an image to it. So here I am searching for the product in the quick find box. Once I get it, I click on that, and once I click, it will redirect me to the object manager page of a product. I click on a fields and relationship from the left side and click on a new button from the right one, and once I click on that, it will redirect me to the page where I need to choose up the fields type according to my requirement. I choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button, and once I click on the next, it asks me to enter the field label as per my requirement. So here I have entered the simple name as a product image, and here the field name get automatically populated based upon them. The next thing, we have to choose the formula return type, and I have chosen the text as the return type and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. The next thing, you need to enter the formula using the function image, and here on the right side we have all function category. I choose the text as a 1, and from here I click on the image as a function and click on insert selected function. Now it's time to change the parameter with the required fields and everything. So let's change it first. Here I enter it down and click on the check syntax button to let us know how it is working on, and it is correctly working fine. So there is no syntax error. If you want to add any description or help text, you can add it on. Otherwise, click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Here you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of the field by checking and unchecking the visible check boxes in the this step, and after that you need to click on the next step, and here you need to choose up the page layout on which you want to include that particular field and click on a save button. Once you click on a save, it successfully created a formula field with the image function. If you want to check how it is working on, you need to click on the app launcher, and from here we need to search for the product as object because I have used the function on that, and here I have search it down, and here I click on that, and after that it will show me the list of already existing products. So I am just randomly going to open any one of them, and once I open it down, it will take me to the page of the detail of that particular product. Now I scroll down to the product image. So here, due to the height and the width that I have not specified, it is not showing the image. With this we have successfully learned how you can use the image function in Salesforce Lightning. Now let's proceed and learn how we can do that with the help of a Salesforce Classic. So for this, here I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic option to redirect myself to the Classic interface. Once I click on that, it will shift me to the Classic interface of a Salesforce. Now to redirect myself to the setup of a Classic one, I click on a setup option given on the top. Once I click on that, it will take me to the Classic setup. Now I scroll down to the build section and expand the customize drop down. Now it's time to choose the standard object on which you want to use this particular function image, and here I am going to show you the example for the contracts. I click on that and expand it and click on a fields as an option. Once I click on that, it will take me to the fields page where I will get the list of all the fields that are present in the contract. Here I will get a section of the contract custom fields and relationship. I click on a new button from here. Once I click on a new, it will take me to the page of that particular thing, and here I choose the formula as a one field because I want to create a formula with the image function. Now I take me to the next step where I need to enter the field label. So here I enter the field label as a contract document because I want to include the document in the form of the image in that contract thing. So here I add it down, and the field name get automatically populated based upon that. Now I choose the text as a formula return type and click on the next button. Once I click on a next, it will take me to the next step where I need to create the formula using the image function, and for choosing the image function you need to click on the all function category, choose the text as a 1 and select for the image and insert it using the insert selected function button, and here I enter the formula. To let you know it's working correctly or not, I click on a check syntax button. It is correctly working fine as there is a no syntax error in this thing. So I click on the next button, and here you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this particular fields via field level security, and the field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't add it to the field level security. So need to click on the next button to proceed, and here in the last step you need to choose the page layout on which you want to include that particular field. If you don't select the page layout, the field will be not included on that. So finally you need to click on a save button, and once you click, it successfully created the formula field using the image function. So with this we have successfully learned how you can create a formula field using a image function in both Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.